Hello folks, this is 2021 October-November paper 1-1 and the question number is 7. And this question has also been asked in 2016 May-June paper 1-1. The number is not sure, but it was asked in that year also. The question is concerned with the chapter kinematics. It says two cars X and Y are positioned as shown at time t equal to 0. So this is the start of the motion, beginning. They are traveling in the same direction as shown by the arrows. X is 50 meter behind Y. X is 50 meter behind Y and has a constant velocity of 30 meter per second. So I can use here Vx is equal to 30 meter per second. Y has a constant velocity of 20 meter per second. So Vy is equal to 20 meter per second. What is the value of t when x is level with y? So this means that y is at 20, x is at 30. So that means though x is behind y, it will cover more distance as time passes by and it will cover less distance as time passes by. So ultimately they will meet at they will be level at certain distance. So let me say the distance is yes. Let me say the distance is yes here. If it is yes here, then this x will have to travel yes plus this thing 50 meters. It has to travel 50 meters extra if it is to be level here. So this distance should be from here to here. It is 50 meters plus yes from here to here. So now let us say the time t is required for them to come to level. So if it is so, then I must have for y I must have the distance or displacement yes should be equal to vy into t. So when velocity is uniform, simply yes equal to vy into t. It comes from this relation, yes equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. When velocity is uniform, a is 0, so this term should be 0. If it is 0, yes equal to u into t. So yes equal to vy into t. And this will be equal to vy is 20 into t, equation number 1. Now for x the distance or displacement is s plus 50. So it is 50 plus s. 50 plus s should be equal to vx into t. And this vx is equal to 30 into t, equation number 2. So we have two equations, one is this, one is this. So when I solve this thing, so to solve it, what I do is I deduct this equation from this. So equation 2 minus equation 1. If I do this, I will have 50 plus yes minus yes equal to 30t minus 20t. So it will give us this cancel. 50 is equal to 10t, and that gives us t is equal to 50 by 10 equal to 5 seconds. So the time required is 5 seconds, and according to our choices, so choice number D shows this time. So it is the correct choice.